You're shopping online for new LED bulbs and you're ready to check out. But wait, are you sure you're getting the right size? Whether shopping for headlights, turn signals, fog lights, or really anything else, taking the time to be sure you have the right fit will save you a ton of time and frustration in the long run. So before you finish checking out, take a look at the top of the Amazon page. You'll see the little warning triangle with the exclamation point that says, "Make sure it fits." If you're shopping on your mobile device, scroll down past the product and you'll see "Enter a vehicle to make sure this part fits," and you'll be taken to a screen that follows the same steps as the web page. You can first select the type of vehicle you're purchasing a bulb for: ATVs and UTVs, motorcycles and scooters, or cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. Then, select the year from the pull-down menu. The next pull-down menu will appear automatically where you can select the vehicle make from a list that includes just about all the vehicles on the road today. The next pull-down will appear where you can choose the model. When you've put all that information in, click on the Check Fit button to see if this bulb will fit your vehicle. You'll either get a red box with that same triangle and exclamation mark that says "This does not fit your car," and then some options to find a bulb that will fit your car. Or you'll get a green box with a check mark that says "This will fit," but you're not in the clear yet. Be sure to read all the information they're giving you. You'll often get notes about the fitment that could be very important when you go to install the bulb. Taking these few easy steps right on the Amazon page will almost certainly provide you with the peace of mind that you're getting the right parts for your vehicle. Now all you have to do is install the new LED bulbs, and you're ready to hit the road.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.